So next we'll talk a little bit about conditions, conditionals, and I'm going to just stay in the shell for this. So A is equal to true with a capital T, and you'll notice it turned orange. And if so let's see what type of object this A is. It's bool for boolean. And so we'll just continue by saying B is equal to false with a capital F. And notice that it turns orange again. B, just make sure that's a Boolean also. And then we can kind of mess around with it a little bit by saying, let's see, A, and you'll notice the and turn orange also, which indicates that's a logical operator. So we can say A and A, B. So there's the and then there's also or. So if we were to put or B, we would expect that to be true because true or false is true. B or B, false. A or A, true. Oh, what did I do? Space. True. Let's do some, let's just say X is equal to 30. And then ask, is X greater than 15? And we think it is. True. Alright, so is, let's see if X is greater than 42. False. Okay, so let's try, oh, we forgot one, not. Let's see. A not. Oops. Wrong way around. Not A. Not B. How about A and not B? Okay. We'll pop back over to the editor, text editor over here, and we'll just assign a new value, and we'll work with the if statement. So if A is greater than 0, then print else should be over here. And this should be there. So we'll run this real quick, and you'll notice that unlike C or C++ or MATLAB, you don't have to end the if statement. Okay. Yeah, so A is positive. Let's redefine A as 17, and then say if A is 0, and then else if looks like this in Python. A 0 so this double equal sign here, if I can't highlight it. Okay, the double equal sign there is comparing it, so it should return a true or false, which we can check that right here real quick. Let's see, so it's logical, and it returns either true or false. So let's just run this real quick and see what happens. Yep. A is positive.